Hello, I'm John and welcome to John's Box, my YouTube channel. And this is the introductory edition to a new series of 10 videos, including this one, about Swindon, its parks and nature. This replaces the series I was doing over the last 3 years, which was called Royal Swindon, where I featured visits by the late Queen Elizabeth, King Charles, Princess Diana, or the Princess of Wales to be more correct, and other royals. I've decided to discontinue that. I was going to make a video about the visits of Princess Margaret, Princess Anne, but I think I'll put that on the shelf for a rainy day, and I decided to create this new series of videos about Swindon nature and its parks. If you live in Swindon, by the way, do you really know what's within your town? Even if you work in Swindon, visit it often, do you really know what's within this town and surrounding this town? Well, the answer is some beautiful parks, some old style parks like up in the town gardens, and the lovely countryside around the town, and some of the parks in this countryside which are administered by Swindon Borough Council, or at least on their website. So sit back and relax and find out now the names of the parks that I'm going to feature in the videos over the next year or two. I hope you enjoyed that. So just let's recap. Going to feature Barbary Castle, Coatwater, GWR Park in Farringdon Road, the Lawns Park, I need to see this myself, Lydiard Park, Queen's Park, Shaw Forest Park, Stanton Park, Town Gardens, and I've added here the Winchester Canal because that's also beautiful in itself. I'm going to do this in alphabetical order, so the first of these videos will feature Barbary Castle, which in fact, the location in which there is actually not a castle, but there was, as we'll find out. So that's coming up very soon. I hope I'll be able to do that in February, and let's hope that those series of videos will just tell you how much greenery there is in our town. Not to mention the local recreation parks, but they are recreation parks. Okay, I urge you to support my channel. I'm currently on 860, do you know what, about 860 subscribers. Channel's growing all the time. I hope to get to 1,000 soon, so I hope you can support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and of course like or dislike this video. This is a democracy, so you can tell me what you think. If you visit these parks, if you've been there, also write down something in the comments, because the best feedback is what you write in your comments, and it adds to the content of the video. So that's it for today. I'll see you again in the next video on my channel, and of course we'll be featuring the parks very, very soon. So thank you very much, and bye for now.